Hi guys, today I have a program which is related to array. Write a program to calculate the sum of all elements in an array. Here is user will be input an array and I have to add all elements and display after the adding result. Now trying to solve this problem in Java. So let's start BlueJ. I am taking a class here. Name of the class sum of array. This is our class. So we will use scanner class. So first of all I am importing scanner class. Java import Java util scanner. Now taking class name of the class sum of array. So I am created a class. Now taking here a main method void main, and in the main method I am creating an object of scanner class. I have to declare a array. So I am writing here int a array equals assignment new int array. Sorry, size here we have to mention size. So I am taking size 5 here. Now I have declared a array name of this a. Now first of all I am taking input here. So before the taking values input I have to display a message to user that enter the elements of array. Now I am writing system dot enter the elements, enter the 5 elements of array. Enter the 5. Here I am not close string. Now to taking input an array we have to use for loop. So I am making here for loop int I assign 0, I is less than 5, I plus 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 plus. Here iteration will be goes from 0 to 4, that means 5 times, and each times it will be access one element of array. So to giving input I am writing here a of I. That means which is value of I, it will be take corresponding element of array according to index. Now here to I am taking in type of array, so I have to take scanner next scanners class method next int. So I will write sc. This is object of scanner class which is declared in the first line of main method. Sc dot next int. Now this for loop, one by one all elements from keyboard and taking from keyboard and put into the array of a. Now we are calculating here. Input part are completed. Input part completed. Now I am doing the calculation part. For calculation sum of all numbers, or sum of all elements, we have to take each element one by one and add in the a variable. So I am taking variable here int sum, which is contain the element sum of all elements. So I am assigning in the starting sum is 0, and for taking access of each element of array I have also used another for loop here. Int I assign 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus. Here also we can mention size of array, size of a, that means length variable. Here we can also write this is size. We can also write a dot length as you want, as your wish you can write, but here I have my uh, in my case, so it is already defined the size of array is 5, so I have written here 5. Now calculation part, what I will do, sum assign sum plus a of I. By this code it will take one element in the sum in the a from array and it will add into sum, and next time for iteration it will take second element and it will be also add in the sum. Then one by one all elements in this for iteration will be add in the sum variable. So when it will be executed, all the value of elements added in the sum variable. So in the outer side of this for loop I will can print the addition of array. We can display. So I am here displaying the message system.out.println sum of elements of array is, this is message, so we need as it is, so we write put in the string sum. This is the complete code for the addition of all elements in the array. So I have compiled it. It will be successfully compiled. and now time to run this program. So in order to run, I have to create an instance of this class. Now I have created instance. After that, I'm running this. Here user, this is asking the 5 elements. So I am giving here 5, 9, 3, 8, 2, and display the message sum of is 28. This is correct. So I hope you will understood this code. Thank you.